Hey everybody, this is how to get to your test on Open Court and also to make sure you have up your vocabulary page as well as your Open Court textbook. So when you come into ClassLink, you're going to click on McGraw-Hill and once you get logged in, you will be clicking on the Open Court book or the word launch. And from here, you're going to go up to the menu and go to Do. Here you need to make sure you have up Unit 1, Lesson 4, Day 1, and you'll be able to get up the vocabulary words as well as the textbook. So don't forget, if you're watching this video and you need to pause it to go do these things and then come back to it and keep playing and follow the steps, that's a great idea. When I click on the vocabulary, you'll see another tab opens up here. So now I have my words ready to go. I can scroll down to the vocabulary section and then zoom in so I can see them really clearly. No, that's already. And then when I go back to that tab before this one, I can open up the textbook and now that's ready to go. Here is how you look at it 2 pages at a time. You can have it read to you by clicking on all these speakers like I do sometimes in class. And then you're going to go back to this tab again. And to get to your assessment, you click Menu and Assessments. And now it's going to come up. Now remember, it's the lesson 4, so you can take your vocabulary and your comprehension tests.